Okay, so right now from the screen itself, you guys can see the screen. There's two logo from here. One, I believe you guys can recognize it is what logo, right? It's a WhatsApp logo. But some people looks at this logo on your right hand side, the one with B, right? So some people is actually asking, hey, what is this WhatsApp? What is it, a different one, or is an upgrade version, or is a paid version, or what is it, right? So basically, this WhatsApp with a B logo, we call it as a WhatsApp business lah. WhatsApp business basically is a tools. You can see this description is a tools to automate, to sort, and quickly respond to your messages lah. Yeah, because we are actually running business, right? That's why WhatsApp, they create a special software whereby to cater for business use. This is another separate software. You can go to your Play Store or your iOS store. You can search for WhatsApp business, then you can found it already. It's actually two different apps. WhatsApp personal use and also WhatsApp business is actually another software. Old time, as actually I think about maybe 1 to 2 years ago, WhatsApp business only available for Android user only, whereby all those users who are using iOS, iPhone, Apple one, they don't have WhatsApp business. Some of them, if they want to use, they have to buy another Android phone to use it. But lucky now, WhatsApp, they also have WhatsApp business for iOS already, right? So what's the details for these WhatsApp business? In details, it not much different with your WhatsApp personal. In fact, it add on a lot more features for you lah. Okay, the major differences and the major feature for WhatsApp business is actually the customer can take a look on your profile, your business profile. If you are using WhatsApp business, right, you can have your business profile show inside WhatsApp. So when you chat with your customer can actually look into your profile and see the details, right? Later I share with you what kind of details can put inside there. You can also have a statistic lah to see how many people read your email, read your messages from there, and how many been delivered, how many been sent successful. A statistics, one thing that only available in WhatsApp business, right? So messaging, the rest of the features, the rest of about maybe 6 to 7 features is about messaging, how you can manage your WhatsApp messages effectively by using this WhatsApp business. Okay, this is several things that major available inside WhatsApp business. You can have the business profile like just now what I mentioned. Later I will give you some screenshot. You can also create a catalog, your product catalog inside there, and easily share the catalog to your audience lah. Share your product and service to your audience, right? So last time, let's say if you are using normal WhatsApp, you have to share, you have to copy and paste you have to maybe put the product description, everything in the so-called notepad. Then after that, copy and paste, send the photo, things like that, right? But now no need, because of the catalog. You can everything put into the catalog and just like few clicks, few links to send the catalog to your audience, right? Your potential customer. And you can also have this so-called away message, like our email. Let's say if you're familiar with Outlook, right? Outlook Express, right? Or email. Sometimes when we actually have a long holiday, or maybe let's say we are actually on leave or things like that, we will put an away message, right? Thanks for sending me email. I will reply your email later on, right? Same to WhatsApp. WhatsApp have similar feature as well for WhatsApp business, right? Then number four is greeting message, right? Every new customer who texts you, or maybe any new or existing customer who texts you, you can actually send them a greeting message. Hello, how are you? I am who and who. Please leave your message or please leave your question here. I will reply you shortly. Things like that, right? So this is something like that. So we can also have a quick reply. Quick reply is actually a very interesting features over here. If you can recall, you have a lot of product, right? Sometimes, so when customer asking you, hey, Mr. Seller, may I know what is this product A about? Can you give me the feature? Right, so we have to type one by one. Okay, this product A, we have this feature, have another feature, and another feature. We have to tap everything in and send it to customer. So customer ask another question that usually we call it as a frequently asked question. You have to again type in now all the things like let's say if you have a sentence of 10 20 words, you have to type in all 10 to 20 words. So it's a little bit troublesome for you. Or even you want to make a shortcut way, you have to maybe type all these details inside your phone or pad, right? Then maybe copy and paste. Every time customer want, you have to go in, copy and paste. But right now with this quick reply, you can easily just type in certain shortcut. You can have the whole sentence type into your WhatsApp business and hit send to the customer. Later, I will give you some screenshot, right? So yeah, this feature is also very good feature. You can even label your customer. If let's say someone come to you, right, you can actually label it as a new customer, or let's say this customer say he want to buy something from you already, so you can mark it as a pending payment, right? So you can even follow up. You can see, oh, end of the day or maybe end of the week, you filter again, see who else customer still pending payment. Yeah, you can actually send them messages to greet them and also follow up with them whether how they have problem to send you a payment or just to trigger lah. Because sometimes customer is like that. Customer, they want to buy something from you, but they eventually they forget because they also have a lot of other things to busy, right? So sometimes a customer forget to follow up with you. You forget to follow up with customer, so the deal done, no deal at all, right? So but let's say you have able to follow up with your customer. Hey, Mr. Customer, how was it? Do you having problem to make a payment, right? Or anything I can help you? So once you follow up, you trigger again the customer will suddenly think, oh yeah, I want to buy something from this seller. Lucky this seller actually ping me, else I forget already. So the customer will proceed to the payment. So you gain another sales already, right? So we also have this short link number 7. Right, short link is something that you can send a link for the customer click on it, and then they will actually pre-configure a bunch of word over there that you want customer to send you, right? This is something like a call to action. I will give you guys more details later on, screenshot. So the last one will be this statistic. Yeah, you can even see, you can understand how your customer engage with you right? So this is how we have a statistic on this number 8, right? So let's go into it, right? So for normal WhatsApp, if you actually open your WhatsApp, it won't show WhatsApp business over here, right? I can't recall it show what already because I've been actually moving to WhatsApp business for quite some times already. But one thing over here you can see is if you are using normal WhatsApp, you click on this 3 button, you won't see business tools from here. You will see a group, new broadcast, right? Things like that, but you won't see a business tools, right? If you convert to this WhatsApp business, from this 3 dot, you will see a business tools, right? So after you go into business tools, you can have a business profile, right? You can add in your business profile, like in your address, your working hours, your business or operation hours, your website, your emails, things like that. Okay, take a look on this. This is the profile section. You can even put in your logo, put in your business name, your contact number, description, talk about a little bit, elaborate on you are doing. Like just now Don mentioned, let's say if you are running bakery, you just have to put Rose Bakery, we are the best in town, and where, right? You can actually put in the detail over here, and then your business address as well as your business operation hour because sometimes when people want to actually chat with you, they want to take a look whether your shop open from what time to what time, right? You can even put in your website and also your email over here. Let's say if you have more website, you can actually add in several product catalogs, things like that. Let's say if you have, or maybe booking a link for booking, right? Then the last one will be just the last one over here on the corner here will be like some of your so-called updates on your profile, right? So this business profile can be one of the so-called mini website, a mini business name card inside your WhatsApp business. So people when open your profile, they can see all the details, right? Let's say if you are using normal WhatsApp, people can't see it, right? So we will encourage, let's say if you are running business, right, we will encourage you to move in to this WhatsApp business, right? So next is the catalog part, right? Catalog is actually allow you to share your product and service lah. You can go to catalog manager and click the add button to add on your product, your details, your links inside there, right? Even you can put a link inside there to actually bring them to your website to see more details on your catalog, right? So and for catalog itself, it also have some rules lah to follow. But let's say if you will simply like this one just for testing purposes, I put in the product, I put in the description without optimize it, it will give me this exclamation mark, so that it means that it have been rejected lah. It rejected my catalogs. So it also have several rules. For example, let's say drugs related or so-called medicine related vitamin C, this kind of stuff is actually not allowed to put inside here. You can simply open a plus button, create something called vitamin C, and then put in some medical word inside there. You potentially get rejected from there lah. There's some of the rules over there. You cannot simply put you have to follow the rules. So apart from catalog, we also have this away message, like just now what I mentioned. Usually we set away message from our Outlook Express or our Microsoft Outlook, right? So our email will set it. We can also set it over here. As long as you enable this button and then put in your messages that you want customer to see. For example, I say, okay, thank you for your message. I'm available right now, but will respond you as soon as possible, right? So after that, you can schedule when you want to send it, and you can even set the recipient who you want them to receive these messages, right? If let's say if you set everyone who send you message, they will get these messages lah. They just drop you a message, then they will get your WhatsApp business will send them this message as a away message, right? So if let's say if you set as everyone but not in the address book, it might be your new potential customer who you not yet save their name, right? Yeah, this is your potential customer, or everyone, or you want to send it to everyone except maybe some of your co-worker. You don't want, because they already know you are away, right? You are together with them, you can accept them, right? So maybe you can accept some of your maybe business partner who already know you are away, right? So or even you can send only to specific people, right? Meaning that some of the people you know that they are very fussy customer, and you can ping you, they want you immediate respond one. You mostly most of us will have this kind of customer lah. They very fussy. They text you. They expect you within a few minutes. You need to reply them. Else they found that your service is not good. So you have to only send to those particular customer. You can send to them so that they know that you are away. You're not able to reply them. You were only able to reply them as soon as possible. So at least the customer, this fussy customer, receive your message already. The fussy customer will say, oh, the business owner is away. Okay lah, I will wait him to reply. Yeah, this is how it works lah. For the recipient, you can even set all this recipient in this way. Right, next one will be this greeting message. You can put a greeting message similar like the away message. You just have to enable it, put in the message that you want, set the recipient like just now what I mentioned, what I explained on these 4 things, and you can just save it, right? So the greeting message can be something like, okay, thanks for contacting me. I am Calvyn Lee. Please let me know how can I help you. Right, this is something that for a new customer who ping me, or maybe existing customer who ping me, but then I can send a greeting message for them. Right, maybe you can put, let's say, like for example, lately we have a Christmas, we have a New Year. You can put in some greeting message. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you. Then I will reply your message shortly, or things like that, right? So at least the customer see your message, your greeting message. He also shock sikit lah. Wow, feel like got the mood of the Christmas, got the mood of the New Year, right? Someone is greeting them, right? So this is how you can use greeting message to greet your customer lah, right? So next one will be this quick reply. Quick reply is something that you can see from the screen over here. Because sometimes always people is actually thank you me. Maybe I help some customer solve the problem, so they will tell me thank you. So I'm actually lazy to put in welcome lah. You are most welcome. Then put a smiley face over there, right? So you see, you are most welcome and put a smiley face. How many type, how many press you have to put in into your keyboard in order to have these messages? I think about maybe 10 to 20, right? at least 10 to 20 tekan lah, tekan 20 times to send this message to them. But right now, if I have preset these messages over here. As long as I can see people put it thank you for me, I just / WLC, then I can send the whole message for them already, right? So another example is like just now when I mentioned, let's say if you have a lot of product and service, you have very long description of your product and service. Now, take an example. I'm actually having my digital marketing course, right? So people might be texting me, hey Calvin, can I have more details on your digital marketing course? So instead of I have to tekan many times to put in all my messages inside there, including my links, things like that, my course outline, things like that, and then send to the customer, I can pre-configure a message over here. For example, thanks for inquiring my digital marketing course. Here is the link for the course outline. Then I just require to put a very simple shortcut / DMC, digital marketing course, DMC. Then I tekan enter. Then the whole messages will send to customer. Or maybe customer who actually looking for my social media marketing course. So I just put in like / SMMC. Then I enter. The whole messages will send to my customer already. So this is how useful this quick reply is lah. So next thing is labels. Yeah, this is the one that just now I mentioned, right? You can labels your customer and then with the colors lah, with the colors over here. You can see you have a new customer. You can mark that particular person as new customer. Let's say the particular person already made a payment. You can mark it as a new order, right? Or maybe not yet make a payment, like just now what I mentioned just now. If this customer not yet make a payment, we hit as pending payment, so that end of the day or end of the week you can follow up again with the customer. Or customer already paid, yeah, so maybe end of the month, end of the day, you want to see which customer already paid, right? You want to make a packing for the product and ship to them, right? So you just see which customer already paid, so you just trigger one by one and send it to them lah. Even you can set order complete, the transaction been done already, things been sent up already. You can mark it as a order complete. Even some of the customer might receive your item already, might be returned, right? So the chatting halfway, we can actually mark this customer as pending refund. Or maybe even customer make a payment for you, but you not yet check your some of the businesses, small businesses, you may don't have the so-called payment gateway. So you might ask customer to send the payment to you via bank in, right? So you not yet make a checking, so you can mark them as pending verification. So this is how useful for business WhatsApp business is. You have this kind of labeling feature inside there. Normal WhatsApp, you can't find this feature. So the last portion is the short link. Yeah, you can see from the short link itself, a little bit similar like just now we configure the so-called away message and also greeting message, right? So automatically here have a link already over here. Is a call to action link. Usually we call it as a call to action link, and then you can put in your messages. You can enable it and put in your messages. For example, I want to put in like, hi, business owner, I'm interested with your product and service. May I know how much? Yeah. So when you put in these details, you send to a customer, or even you can post these messages inside your social media posts. Still remember when we talking about social media at the first session just now, when Don tell you guys how useful Facebook is, right? To actually connect and engage with your customer, right? So let's say if you have new product launch, or let's say if you have something you post in social media, and then you want your customer to click on the link and contact you via WhatsApp, right? You can actually put in this link, a call to action, so that your customer click the link and he will key in these details instead of customer tekan himself. Customer have to press HIBUSSINESS, have to press everything. Have to key in all the messages. It's difficult, right? But once the customer click on this link, it will automatic shows already. Let me show you one of the examples, right? So if customer hit on my call to action button, this is my call to action button. So I might put this, for more inquiry, please WhatsApp me, right, on my social media post, and you can see the messages over here. Hey Calvin, I'm interested with your digital marketing course. Please send me more details. So anyone who interested with my digital marketing course, they click on this link call to action. Their WhatsApp will automatically pre-configure with these messages, and they just require to hit enter. They don't require to type, hey Kevin, I am interested, blah blah blah. They have to many press, right, many type, right, so difficult for customer to do. Sometimes customer is lazy, so we have to give them a right direction, so that they press on this link. So automatic this messages pre-configure inside their social, their WhatsApp already. They just require to hit enter, so they can send the messages for me, right? So I can, in at the meantime, I can use the shortcut message. I remember just now, another two features another two features earlier I mentioned, shortcut messages, right? The quick reply, right? So I can use the quick reply, slash SMMC and enter. So the whole messages of giving more information about my social media marketing course, and also the course outline will be sent to my customer already lah. So this is how you make a more automated method by leveraging your so-called WhatsApp business lah. This is how we have it